Asana Rebel Premium Yoga and Fitness App. The pros, the cons. Most people assume yoga apps are only for stretching, but the Asana Rebel Premium app combines yoga with high-intensity fitness routines for a full-body workout. You won't believe how versatile it really is. Starting with the pros, the app offers hundreds of guided workouts, from traditional yoga flows to height, strength training, and meditation sessions. Personalized plans adapt to your goals, whether it's weight loss, flexibility, or stress relief. The video and audio guidance make it easy to follow along at your own pace, and the app tracks your progress over time. Asana Rebel also includes wellness features like sleep tracking, mindfulness exercises, and nutrition tips. It syncs seamlessly with Apple Health and Google Fit, giving you a holistic view of your health and activity. Daily reminders and streak tracking help maintain consistency, which is key for seeing results. On the downside, most premium content requires a subscription, which can feel expensive for some users. The app also relies on digital guidance without live feedback, so beginners may need to double-check their form to avoid injury. Some users find the sheer variety of workouts overwhelming at first. In conclusion, the Asana Rebel Premium Yoga and Fitness app is a versatile platform that combines yoga, strength, cardio, and wellness tools. It's ideal for those looking for a flexible, at-home fitness solution with personalized guidance. While a subscription is needed for full access, the combination of workouts, tracking, and mindfulness makes it a valuable tool for improving both physical and mental health.